Hello guys, this is the Unreal 3D Game Design channel. So today I have a tutorial about making a HUD or a menu. So one thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a folder called Blueprints, and in the deleted video I messed up, so I had to delete it. So basic So you're gonna want to make a HUD. You can drag things in from over here. I have an image, which you can, if you go to the brush, you can choose an image for. I have a button. Now you can program this in the graph and make it to do stuff. That's cool. I put in a horizontal box and a text that said health, and I put in a progress bar, which you can also code to make it do cool stuff like fill up and get rid of stuff. So in order to make this go to your third-person character or first-person character, or kind of technically, because what I did is I took the camera of it and put it right here, and so that I made it first person. So if you go to your graph, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to probably, I made a new one, but oh wait. So you're going to want to make a new game mode, which you can do. So if you go to the world settings and you press plus, you can make a new game mode. Now the new game mode will look like this. But you click on it and it's got all these things. So you want to make sure that the widget that you named, or the HUD that you will create, or never mind, the player controller class has to be, oh wait, never mind, the pawn, where's the pawn? Okay, so right here, what you want it to be is, so the default pawn class needs to be third-person character, otherwise this won't work. So in the game mode, what you're going to want to do is go to your event graph, event begin play. You want to create a HUD, create your HUD widget, the one that you created right here. So then what you're going to want to do is if you hit play, it doesn't seem that it's there. So what you want to do is go to your HUD, so new HUD. Okay, so you want to make sure that everything is working. Make sure that this is at the third-person character and not anything else, otherwise this won't work. Make sure your HUD class is new HUD, which is right here. So on the event, you want it to be HUD, and you might want this. Compile. Never mind. So basically what this is saying is that when the event starts, it's going to create a widget. Now you want to add this widget to your viewport. When you add it to your now it will be on the player screen. So yay! Now you probably want your HUDs not to look like this, but oh, what? Oh, glitch. Sorry guys. I forgot to code part of this, so when you go down, you go down. You just kind of float through. So yeah, I just forgot to code some of it. I'm sorry guys. So anyway, so that's how you make a HUD, but of course you want to code it and stuff. So when you go to your new HUD, or no, not this, so you can right click and you can make nodes like event construct. So let's take this button. I'm we want on clicked. So this is saying, so when you click the button, let's do like level, open level. So let's call this Bob. So now you gotta go back. Otherwise, if you don't do this, it'll throw errors at you. So you want to create a level and call this Bob. Then you want to go into this, save it. So it'll pop up with this black screen. So what you need is lights. You need a directional light. You need some kind of floor. So then you can actually see what you're doing. You're gonna want atmospheric fog right here. Then it'll look all pretty, and you might also want a skybox. If you have the starter content, it should be there. It looks something like that. Pretty cute. So save this. So now let's we also need a player start. So when we play, why are we falling through the floor? Okay, oh that's another glitch thing. So now we got our HUD, which is so beautiful and neat. So now what we can do is, so you can't really see, but if we go to our HUD, what we can do is we can, before this, on the event construct, we can set show, so we're gonna have to cast it to our player controller. And then as a player controller, we're gonna have to, why don't I just search? We're gonna have to set show mouse cursor to true. Now we need an object, so what was the object you could use? No. So an object that you're gonna need an object, otherwise it does that. So, I know what we need. So what the object you need to use is get player controller. So that makes sense. So if you compile it, player controller. What? See if this works. Okay, it works. So if we click on this, it opens it, but we can't tell because we're not in the right level. So let's go to this map. Now let's play, and boop. See, now we're at this level. And if you right click, you can use your camera, which is cool. So that's how you make a HUD. Please like the video and share it if you want to. So yeah, so you can make it a lot prettier, and if you want it to tie into a level, then this is just for people who don't want to make a HUD, but they want to make a menu. So people who want to make HUDs, I hope you're satisfied with my explanation. Probably isn't, but you can go watch someone else if please don't though. Well, anyway, so people who are still watching, so let's take this level, or let's make a new one actually. Let's call it menu. So let's open this up, save selected, and now what we